So good morning friends, welcome to PD classes, student important session for those who are preparing for commerce lecturer interview. I hope all the technical round questions will definitely be fruitful for all of you. So first of all, I welcome Harbeer to you.
थैंक यू सर।
हरबीर, जो मेरे क्वेश्चंस हैं सारे टेक्निकल राउंड के रहेंगे। सबसे पहले मैं जानना चाहता हूँ रेवेन्यू रिजर्व और कैपिटल रिजर्व, इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है?
यस सर। Revenue reserves are the reserves which are created out of revenue profits, whereas capital reserves
Yes,
are
yes.
the reserves which are created out of capital profits. Capital reserves are for a specific purpose and revenue reserves are not for specific purpose. Capital reserve, I will give few examples of capital reserves like profit out of sale of fixed asset, profit out of sale of investments, etc. Whereas revenue reserves example includes investment fluctuation reserve, workman compensation reserve, dividend equalization reserves, etc. And revenue reserves are such reserves which give the benefit up to 1 year, and capital reserves which are kept for the further utilization in future if there are sale of capital assets of the company.
Okay, why you opted to be a teacher of commerce?
Sure, sir. I guess teaching is a very noble profession. Although all the streams are noble in itself, but I love teaching commerce because from the very beginning I was very interested in like money, how it comes to the business and how it goes outside, what are the various ways by which it can be procured. So that created my interest in learning about accounting. So from there I get to know that I can do this thing. So when I took my first class in commerce, when I studied the first class, I got my point that I am going to make career in it. So after coming to that, I used to teach my classmates and my friends during my college. So they used to told me that you make me understand very well. So
Your explanation is good.
yes sir. So from there I get to know that I can teach others also. If I can understand a question and I can make them understand this too, so I can get this profession also.
Wonderful.
So therefore I chose the teaching profession, and it is also very noble profession where the conscience is created of what is right and what is wrong, and I guess this is the very best profession which can give me that opportunity to develop my conscience.
Okay. Yes, Monica madam, have your question please.
Why you chose NVS?
Okay ma'am. First of all, I would like to say that NVS is a very autonomous organization, and it was developed by Rajiv Gandhi in 1986. NVS is a prestigious institution, and I would like to be a part of this institution as it promotes national integrity, and it also inculcates social integration of the students.
Okay.
It promotes Indian culture also, and it helps rural children who are due to financial backgrounds, due to rural background, or due to social background, they are not able to get the study, they are in search of knowledge and they want a chance to study. So I believe that I will be a part of NVS and I can make them study much better.
Wonderful. Yes, Rekha madam.
So tell about your family.
Okay ma'am, we have 5 members in our family. My father works in government banking sector, and my mother works in taxation department. I have one elder sibling who works in SBI.
Okay, can you tell me the difference between PLN account and PLN appropriation account?
Yes sir, I can explain that. Profit and loss account is created after trading account, where we start from net profit, and whereas profit and loss appropriation account, we prepare it after net profit. After we have calculated net profit, it starts with net profit, and in it in profit and loss account we follow matching principle except interest on loan, whereas in profit and loss appropriation account we do not follow matching principle, and there is an agreement between the partners how to distribute the profits and other things that are involved in partnership. For that we play according to that in profit and loss appropriation account, whereas there is no such thing in profit and loss account.
Okay.
And other than that, in profit and loss account we take various indirect expenses, whereas in profit and loss appropriation account we distribute various types of charges and appropriations, sir.
Tell me the difference between reserve capital and capital reserves.
Yes sir. First of all, I would like to explain reserve capital. It is an uncalled capital which is kept by the company with its, and it may be used only when the company is on the verge of liquidation. Otherwise, company do not use reserve capital. And whereas capital reserves are the reserves which are created out of capital profits for the future purpose of the capital gains or losses.
Okay. How many ways are possible to issue shares?
Yes sir. There are three possible ways with which we can issue shares. First is private placement of shares, and second is issue share for cash, and the third is shares where they are issued for consideration other than cash. And there are various procedure involved in all of the three. Like if we issue shares for consideration other than cash, we can issue shares to promoters for their services they have rendered to create the company. And there are also other the second one is for the vendors for the assets we have purchased from them. Yes.
What is dividend?
Dividend is the amount of profit we give to shareholders according to the shares they have purchased. It is the part of profit which is given to them as a reward for their investment in the company.
How is this time budget according to you?
Sir, the budget of 2023, it is known as Amrit Mahotsav का पहला budget, I guess. And it was presented by Nirmala Sitharaman on 1st of the February this year, and it was a very detailed budget, and it has also given various things for our education also. She has given 8% rise in the educational budget, and she has Shri Nirmala Sitharaman has also inculcated that there will be 38,000 EMRS schools in our country.
You have given a good intro, really, keep it up.
Sir.
And now it's the right time to give some tip to my students that during such interview you should have good command on your communication skills and your English level should be good. And one more important thing, that during your current affairs, a lot many people are asking, sir, what about the current affairs? So especially I would recommend that particular day if your interview is going on. Suppose your interview is on 28th of February, so definitely it's a science day. So they can ask you that today what's day it is. So such current topics you must aware, otherwise it is not very much necessary to recall all the current affairs for teaching profession. I hope this much particular tip you will apply and you will prepare more on your subject more rather than other things. So subject is quite important, especially for demo purpose as well as for interview purpose. We are really proud of you, Harbir. Keep it up.
Thank you,
Blessings
sir.
to you. Thank you.